Everyone was curious about my homemade fireplace. This thing works great. I've got metal tape all over it, and down here you can buy these little tubes of, it's kind of like caulk, but you'll notice this part cracked out from here to there. I just put some more around it and sealed right back up. But yeah, this thing is, I mean, a massive amount of heat. You can either buy wood, like it rained today, so I only had like 4 or 5 pieces left, so I went and bought a bag for $5. It was not worth it. But this thing, man, I mean, not even touching it, you know, you can see, well, if I can be still, you can see it's moving on its own. It's got a good flame. My dual door system here, it doesn't, for some reason, because the draft comes in there, this part right here does, on this metal piece, does not get hot. But yeah, you can see, I mean, it's got it, it's putting off some heat, and none of the smoke is coming in the house at all because it drafts so good. And you just load your wood in there, open this flap up right here, light it right there, and then close the door, wait, count to 1 or 2 seconds, open it up, and full force. But if you can get the dimensions right on it, you could build one yourself. Heck, I'll build them for you for, you know, little or nothing. Yeah, this thing works great. I've used it like 10 times now. Oh, it's really, because I've opened the door, it's really going now. See it moving on its own. Anyways, yeah, I just I got a this is the side off of a washing machine. I just took my grinder and cut it, and then cut a hole in the middle of it. 6-inch pipe over to here. It comes out about 2 foot away from the house. Window's dirty, but you see it goes up there. It's got a rain head on it out there, up right above my house. Yeah, guys, you gotta make sure you got it insulated and away from your walls and stuff. You don't want to burn your house down. You know, be safe about this. If you do decide to build one your own, you know, you have any questions, ask me. But yeah, this thing, it's the old 55-gallon drum, and it's but it was 32 degrees in the house. Now it's almost 70, or it's 32 degrees outside. It didn't get that, you know. But also you get a nice collection of ashes that you can play with. I wouldn't suggest using your fingers, because then your fingers be nasty. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my videos, stuff.